Does your device need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic, home collection and delivery, with no calls or travel required. We send you a quote before a repair, and we only proceed with your agreement. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in the description. To begin, ensure you have the following tools at hand: a Phillips screwdriver, a flathead screwdriver, and a set of spanners. It's essential to work in a well-lit area to avoid any mishaps. Start by turning off your Conga 1290 and unplugging it from the power source to ensure safety. Next, locate the screws on the back panel of the device. Using your Phillips screwdriver, carefully remove these screws and place them in a small container to avoid losing them. Once the screws are removed, gently pry open the back panel using the flathead screwdriver. Be cautious not to apply too much force, as this could damage the casing. With the back panel removed, you will see the battery compartment. Before proceeding, take a moment to clean any dust or debris inside the compartment using a soft cloth. This will help maintain the device's performance and longevity. Now, disconnect the old battery by carefully unplugging the connectors. It's advisable to take a photo of the connections before removing them, as this will serve as a reference when installing the new battery. If you're unsure about the process, remember we offer professional diagnosis without obligation, which can help clarify any doubts you may have. Once the old battery is removed, take your new battery and connect it to the same connectors, ensuring that the polarity matches. It's crucial to double-check this step to avoid any potential damage to your device. If you find this seems too tricky, remember we offer collection and delivery at your home, making it easier for you to get professional help. After connecting the new battery, gently place it back into the compartment. Ensure it fits snugly and does not obstruct any other components. Now, it's time to reattach the back panel. Align it properly and press down gently until it clicks into place. Then, use your Phillips screwdriver to secure the screws back into their original positions. Before testing the device, take a moment to clean the exterior with a damp cloth. This not only improves the appearance, but also helps in maintaining the device's condition. Once you've finished cleaning, plug the Conga 1290 back into the power source and turn it on. Check to see if the new battery is functioning correctly. If everything is working as expected, congratulations! You've successfully changed the battery on your Conga 1290. However, if you encounter any issues, don't hesitate to reach out for assistance. We provide a quote before repair, ensuring you know the costs involved before proceeding with any further work. This way, you can make an informed decision without any pressure. In summary, changing the battery on your Conga 1290 is a straightforward process that can be accomplished with the right tools and a bit of patience. Always prioritize safety and cleanliness during the procedure, and remember that professional help is just a call away. Does your device need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic, home collection and delivery with no calls or travel required. We send you a quote before repair, and we only proceed with your agreement. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in the description.